Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Dodge Dart. Nice looking two-door hardtop. We have that plum crazy purple theme going on here. Black composite hood. Does have a functional street scoop. You can see underneath there. Call that a double barrel aluminum intake sitting on top of that Holley carb. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of the car, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at this front grille. Bumper appears that it has been re-chromed along the way. Very presentable. Flat black chin spoiler down below. Nice looking front on this, and cool color combination with the purple and the flat black. Front disc brakes. American Racing polished torque thrust style wheels. You take a look up and down this car and see that it appears to be pretty straight. Again, very presentable. 340 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 727 automatic transmission. Black vinyl interior, center console, shifter on the floor there, aftermarket Sony stereo, some aftermarket gauges down below. Interior's looking good also. Seat belts in this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see dual exhaust running out the rear here. We're going to pop the hood, start this up, let you hear it run. I'll show you what that engine bay looks like. Has a lot of polished, a lot of shine under there. Good looking engine bay. This vehicle has won some trophies prior down in Missouri, where it spent time before coming here to us. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Let you get a good look at the driver's side here also. And as you can see, nice reflection coming off that paint. See the showroom behind me all the way to the front door. All right, let's check out this interior a second here. Door panels look good. Carpeting, seats. Didn't notice anything for any out of the ordinary wear, rips, tears. One little tiny spot right there. But overall, again, very presentable interior. Again, seat belts in this car. All right. There is a little bit of a procedure to start this I want you to be aware of. First off, the key goes in the ignition like normal. Just turn it forward. You can hear the fuel pump. We're going to let that run a second. Right down here, center console. Boom. And hit that switch. That's going to initiate the ignition. And then if you look down on this side, right here, button. That's going to engage the starter. Alright. We're getting cleared out just a tad here. Again, aftermarket gauge cluster down here with oil pressure, temp gauge, volts, and then of course your tachometer. Sony stereo fires up. I have not had it play through the speakers. I think it's an antenna issue, if anything. It's just not getting reception. Alright, got that 340 warmed up. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Good sounding car. This one will turn some heads, looks, and sound. Be a good one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There are the trophies you can kind of see in the background on the floor. I will put those in the trunk, so those will go along with the car. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. I gotta get these hood pins out. Let's get this hood raised up and see what that engine bay looks like.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
I said we had some bling under here, so let's take a look. As you can see, intake, start with that. The polished RPM Edelbrock intake, also has Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads. We have a Champion aluminum radiator, electric fan there. And again, that functional street scoop. And a lot of other chrome and polish going on under here too. You can see there's headers, chromed alternator, well cover, also chromed on both sides. Nice looking engine bay. 1970 Dodge Dart, 2-door hardtop, 340 underneath the hood, 727 automatic in it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.